All the parts of avocados are beneficial to our bodies in their own special ways. I've shown you how to use the cold press method to extract oil for your salad dressings, also for the skin and hair. Furthermore, I've shown you how to also use the hot press method to make avocado oil for your hair growth and many more. I have also shown you how to make avocado seed tea. Family, today we are going to make avocado skin and seed oil, and you'll be amazed. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to just cut the seeds and skin into pieces, and then I'll add my carrier oil. I'm adding almond oil, and you can see it looks clear or a bit yellowish. But after adding it to the seed and skin and then doing the double boiling method, you all see what the color will change into. Family, you can use any oil of your choice, okay? But today, I just chose to use almond oil. Let the oil be at the same level as the seed and skin of the avocado, or you let it be above them, okay? So now I'm going to just put it in the saucepan, which is already on the cooktop, and I'll let it boil. So we are using the double boiling method, and I prefer this method over the frying method. Okay, with this method, at least you are assured of 95% of your nutrients intact, unlike the frying method where you tend to lose a higher percentage of the nutrients. So family, what we are doing is to infuse the nutrients of the avocado seed and skin into the oil. And you can all see that the avocado skin has turned to a bit yellow. That shows that we are doing a good job. So now I've let it cool down, okay? And it's time to strain the oil from the seed and the skin. It's so quick and easy to make, but it's not cheap out there on the market. So don't just throw away your avocado seeds and skin. You can use them for purposes like this. So far, if you enjoyed my video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and recommend the channel to friends and families who may also like my videos. Can you all see, family, that the color has totally changed and it's not that light yellow or clear oil again? It's now turned into an infused avocado seed and skin oil. I like that. So family, let's put this aside and now work on the second method, which is the cold press method. And it's my favorite method. You see, I've dried the avocado skin, okay? And I've dried the seed as well. I'm using my hand to crush the skin into pieces, and I'll use my knife to cut the seeds into pieces as well. When the skin dry too much, it's going to turn into a brown color, and we don't want that for the oil. So make sure you have the green dried avocado skin for the oil, okay? And with the seeds too, make sure that the seed is not black. If it's black, don't use it like this one. If it's black or brown, don't use it. Use the good ones. Use the ones that are in perfect shape and in good condition. And I'll show you one very soon. Yeah, just like these ones. Make sure there is no blemish on the avocado seed, and this one is just perfect for the oil. After cutting the seeds, I'll add it together with the skin, and I'll put them both in one bowl or container, and then I'll add my carrier oil. In this video, again, I'm using almond oil. So family, you can use any oil of your choice, okay? So far, this is how everything is looking like. So we're going to add our oil as I've mentioned earlier, and then we will just let it sit for as long as we like. It can be for a week, days, even months, depending on how you want the oil to be infused with the avocado skin and seeds nutrients, okay? Family, can you all see how clear the oil is? I decided to use a clear oil so that you see the difference once the avocado seeds and skins nutrients have been infused into it, and then you know that you have done a good job. Now let's cover it up with a cling film tightly and leave it for the next day. And family, as I'm making this, it's around 9:52 p.m. So family, good night. See you tomorrow morning. All right. Next day we are back. So let's see how things are going. Oh, I can see the oil has been infused properly. It's well infused with the nutrients and wow, I like that. We are going to strain the oil from the avocado seed and skin like the first method. So family, if you're enjoying the video and it's helpful so far, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and recommend the channel to friends and families who may also like my videos. And if you are new, hey, you are warmly welcome. I hope you have been inspired enough to join this amazing family. So please click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell button to be notified whenever I upload new videos. You can now discard the seed and then the skin. Wow, this is so rich. Look at that. Look at these two avocado oils. I'm so impressed. They are so nutritious. It got all the nutrients. But I must say, to be honest, I love the cold press method more because there was no heat applied. There was no heat applied, so all the nutrients are intact 100%. Family, the oil in the small container is a store-bought avocado oil, and you can see there isn't much difference here. And I'm so impressed with what I've just made. Now I'm going to put the oil in my bottles and also in my container and put them on my shelf in a dry and cool place. And I'll use it sparingly. Okay, I'll use sparingly. That's the underlining word. I will use this in my hair to moisturize it, which will help promote massive hair growth. When you apply this oil into your hair, it will make it look shiny, soft, and replenished. Family, finally, we are at the end of the video, and I'm so impressed. Hashtag avocado seed and skin matter. Don't ever throw them away, use them for your oil. For more videos like this, follow me on Instagram, like my page on Facebook, follow me as well, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this is the cold pressed avocado oil I made using the battery flesh. So I'll leave both the hot and cold pressed method for making avocado oil in the description box below. Check it out for your own convenience, okay? And I hope you like them. Thank you all for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good. Bye all. Take care. Kiss. Mwah.